According to a new rumor, Qualcomm's upcoming flagship chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, will deliver a significant performance boost over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This next-generation chip is expected to feature custom ARM cores designed by Qualcomm itself and will likely have a different core configuration, eliminating the efficiency cores. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is rumored to include 2 big cores and 6 medium cores, utilizing TSMC's 3nm process. Qualcomm has confirmed that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be unveiled in October, with speculation suggesting that Xiaomi will be the first to release a smartphone powered by this chip. While initial reports indicated the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 would significantly outperform its predecessor, early benchmark scores from an engineering sample suggested only a modest improvement. However, Chinese leaker Digital Chat Station, via Notebook Check, has reassured that the prototype used a lower-frequency version of the chip. According to the latest information, the cores in the current version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 run between 3.6 GHz and 4.0 GHz. The leaked benchmark scores show the chip achieving around 2,700 points in the single-core test and 10,000 points in the multi-core test. This is a substantial increase compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3-powered Galaxy S25 Ultra, which scored 2,187 and 6,669 respectively. However, it still falls short of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which scored 2,958 and 7,288 in single and multi-core tests. These results cast doubt on rumors that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 would surpass the performance of Apple's upcoming AE Pro chip. Nonetheless, Qualcomm likely has some final optimizations to make, which could improve these benchmark scores before the official release. Digital Chat Station also mentioned that the first phone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, expected to be the Xiaomi 15, will be launched in mid-October. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.